deal with the community, won't deal with heritage, and means that we will have to confront this government when it comes to the destruction of heritage and poor public transport and infrastructure issues that they seem hell-bent on inflicting on not just the people of Ultimo but also the people of the Leichhardt municipality. But I want to just end by addressing the fact of the change that occurred to the Metro in Rozelle. Many of you might know that the proposed stop would have meant moving St Thomas's, which was a daycare centre, over 100 parents and many hundreds of children. Now, why is it that the Metro has moved from Rozelle? Why is it? Is it because there was some overwhelming planning issue at stake? No, because we know the Metro was developed on the back of an envelope in order to deflect the pressure when they cancelled the North West Metro. It was moved because we built a huge fight with the childcare centre, with the local community, and forced them to change it. And lo and behold, now the Metro stop is being moved. So if we do have to have this, we've demonstrated that community opposition, community uniting with local business and councils can push this government to make more sensible decisions. I commit myself to work with you, to work with the Lord Mayor, to work with all of the councils here in this council to make sure at the next meeting we have some people from the Labor Party here and they defend you as their local councils they should do. We will win it and we will defend Union Square. Thank you.